अभी सर नीट क्लियर हो गया, बच्चे आ गए हैं एमडीएस में। पहले तो कौन कौन सी ऐसी बेसिक चीज़ें हैं जिसके ऊपर जब आप डेंटल क्लिनिक स्टार्ट करते हैं तो आपको इन्वेस्ट करना ही चाहिए?
Is it depends on what type of practice you're going to put. Now, if I am a endodontist, then at least I would need the term basic will vary depending upon what type of practice you're going to put, what type of patient base you're planning to target, and how much premium you're planning to charge.
व्हाट डू यू थिंक वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस का कंसेप्ट डेंटिस्ट्री में या फिर डेंटल क्लिनिक्स में?
Okay, now work-life balance might mean different things to different people. So it depends on what season of life you're at. Am I okay being at the position I am? But I had a good life. मैंने मेरे मजे मारे. Am I content with that? Is what is work life. When you pass out from BDS, not just working 8 hours in clinic, you can spend 3 hours, 4 hours understanding dentistry, listening to podcasts such as yours. You are not doing dentistry. You are doing self-development. You are getting words of wisdom. जो 20 साल पहले तुम्हें नहीं मिलता था कहीं.
कमिंग बैक टू आवर डेंटिस्ट्री सेटअप, वहाँ पे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स इक्विपमेंट्स की हमने बात की। अभी ह्यूमन पावर भी, मैन पावर भी चाहिए, तो उनको हायर करने से लेके ट्रेन करने तक, और फिर कब हमें समझ जाना चाहिए कि ये कुछ गड़बड़ चल रहा है?
You can spend a lot of time hiring a good dentist, but when it comes to hiring other staff members, you will not come to know कि वो आदमी सूट कर रहा है until you hire them. So after hiring, one thing what dentist should do is
स्टाफ अच्छा रख लिया, लेकिन फिर पेशेंट आएंगे कैसे?
पुराने ज़माने में डेंटिस्ट कम थे इसलिए पेशेंट ढूंढ के आते थे. आज के ज़माने में पेशेंट्स भी ज़्यादा है, बट कुछ क्लिनिक्स में लाइन लगी है, कुछ क्लिनिक्स एकदम खाली है. द रीज़न इज dentistry will reward hard work.
Yes.
So you have to understand if there are those many patients out there, there is scope. And it's amazing you're doing. And you're showing the human side of dentists, which is important.
Yes.
Young dentists need to know that other dentists have also gone through the journey.
Exactly.
So they do not feel they are alone.
Hello and welcome to India's most famous dentist. I'm Dr. Karthik Dinoja and welcome to the new episode. आज के इस एपिसोड में हम बात करेंगे डॉक्टर सतीश कुमार से. डॉक्टर सतीश कुमार इज अ पेरिडोंटिस्ट एंड डॉक्टर सतीश कुमार को हम जानते हैं काइजन डेंटल से. ऑफ कोर्स हमने काइजन डेंटल पे सर के बहुत सारे इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस देखे एंड सर इज सच एन इंस्पिरेशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. तो आज के इस एपिसोड में उन्हीं के साथ बहुत सारी बातें. सो ज्यादा बातें यहाँ पे ना करते हुए सीधा इस एपिसोड को स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? लेट्स गो. ग्रैब योर पॉपकॉर्न, सिट बैक, रिलैक्स एंड एंजॉय द शो.
It's all about teeth. Presenting to you India's most famous dentist with Dr. Karthik Dinoja, powered by Karthika.
अभी सर नीट क्लियर हो गया, बच्चे आ गए हैं एमडीएस में. एमडीएस अच्छे से इसी माइंडसेट से है, क्योंकि आई थिंक एमडीएस में जब आ जाते हैं तो एक फोकस एक ही सब्जेक्ट पे, और आपका वो डिस्ट्रैक्शंस कम हो जाते हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं, और दूसरा एज का भी एक रोल अच्छा काम करता है, क्योंकि हाँ आप मैच्योर हो जाते हैं. तो तब तो आप आई थिंक मैनेज कर लोगे. उसके बाद का जो अभी हमने लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स का बात किया, तो उसके बाद आता है अपना क्लिनिक. तो मैं इस पे बात करना चाहता हूँ कि कैसे अपना क्लिनिक खुद से, जब आपके ऊपर कोई भी नहीं है, अभी ना ही कोई स्टाफ होगा, ना ही कोई सीनियर होगा, कुछ नहीं है, तो तब आप किस तरीके से अपने क्लिनिक को सेट कर सकते हैं और उस क्लिनिक को चला सकते हैं. एंड स्टार्ट करेंगे हम पहले ही स्टेरिलाइजेशन से.
Sterilization, I tell you what, it has improved quite a lot. Okay, जब मैंने प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट किया था, I remember one of my patients walking into my practice, okay, and she was like कि आपका क्लिनिक बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा है. So at that point of time, my clinic was among the first clinics जिनके सारे walls tiled होते थे, floors were completely tiled. So at that time, 15 years ago, it was one of the posh clinics. Today, if you see, 99% of the clinics look similar to mine, and 20-30% clinics will look better than mine, because that focus on how a practice looks has increased.
Okay.
Because the acceptance of glass, the acceptance of high ceilings, the acceptance of fresh paints is there in the crowd now. मतलब people expect better hygiene. So sterilization भी उसी हिसाब से काफ़ी improve हुआ है. I remember during COVID, a dealer of autoclaves telling me कि जो clinic पुराने वाले clinics थे जिनके पास autoclaves नहीं थे, imagine this is you're talking about 2020, have shifted. And the second thing is peer pressure. Nowadays your friends will ask you कि तेरा clinic इतना गंदा क्यों है. पहले लोग सिर्फ पैसे का सोचते थे. Now people expect good hygiene. So I don't think sterilization in today's day and age is going to be a major issue. Because everyone who starts a practice is assuming he wants to give the best rather than focusing. So what the situation was 20 years ago is not as of now. So I think any patient can walk into a regular practice and expect decent amount of sterilization in India today.
इसी के साथ सर बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टमेंट रहते हैं डेंटिस्ट्री में. इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत रहता है, तो इसके ऊपर मैं ले जाना चाहूँगा कि पहले तो कौन कौन सी ऐसी बेसिक चीज़ें हैं जिसके ऊपर जब आप डेंटल क्लिनिक स्टार्ट करते हैं तो आपको इन्वेस्ट करना ही चाहिए.
प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना इसमें is it depends on what type of practice you're going to put. Okay. Now, for example, you're a periodontist. If you are putting a practice where you are going to market yourself as a periodontist, other than basic, you would require something known as a physiodispenser to place the implants.
Right.
You might require a laser out there. Okay. At least a basic electrocautery. Now, if I am a endodontist and I am marketing myself as an endodontist, then at least I would need basic loops. If not a microscope, loops at least. So it depends on what you are marketing yourself as well. Okay. It depends on what you are charging your patients.
Okay.
Now, for example, there are people who are doing root canals at very minimal rates, and there are people who are charging like 20 times the minimal rate amount. मतलब 20% का 20 times.
20x.
Yes, rate charges are there. Now, if you are charging 1x and you're charging 20x, the quality you can give your patient automatically varies.
Right.
Okay. For example, even if you go for the basic scanner, a Chinese scanner, okay, intraoral scanner, it would cost you 4 to 5 lakhs, bare minimum. Okay. If you want something which of a decent value, it costs you 8 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs. So when I'm investing 15 lakhs into my practice, I will have to charge my patients as well. Okay. So now you have to first decide what type of practice you are creating, what your target audience is. Okay. Then you have to decide what basic equipment you need. 15 years ago, RVG was not a compulsory thing in a practice. Today, if you do not have an RVG and your patient has gone to 2 other practices and you're the third practice he's walked into, he's going to compare. He's going to say कि वहाँ पे तो डॉक्टर ने एक्सरे शूट किया, स्क्रीन पे दिखा. यहाँ पे डॉक्टर ने एक्सरे लिया, ऐसा कुछ पानी में डाला, मिक्स किया और फिर ऐसे दिखा रहे मुझे पेपर जैसा. द पेशेंट हैज ऑलरेडी जज्ड कि एक छोटा प्रैक्टिस और एक बड़ा प्रैक्टिस है. व्हाट ही इज विलिंग टू पे एट योर क्लिनिक एंड व्हाट ही इज विलिंग टू पे एट दैट क्लिनिक चेंजेस. सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट डिसाइड तुम कितना चार्ज करने वाले हो, तुम्हारा पेशेंट बेस क्या है, उसके हिसाब से यू हैव टू कीप एडिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. सो the term basic will vary depending upon what type of practice you're going to put, what type of patient base you're planning to target, and how much premium you're planning to charge.
तो उसके लिए डोंट यू थिंक कि जो क्लिनिशियंस है उनको अपना फाइनेंसेस भी इसी तरीके से मैनेज करना चाहिए?
Should. Okay. There's one thing should and will all do it or not.
Okay.
RVG is a must. According to me, today you get RVGs as less as 70,000, 75,000 as well. Okay. So RVG for basic diagnosis is a must.
Right.
You can say whatever you want.
Okay.
But till acceptance is there among the dentists and the patients, it is not what you and I say what matters.
Right.
Understood. You can apply peer pressure, nudge your friends, and tell them, please do better, please do better. So the entire field of dentistry will grow up. But you cannot push beyond a point. So again, I don't think we can tell what basics are because people are not going to.
आई थिंक
follow
वो
it.
सर इंडिविजुअल पे भी इसीलिए डिपेंड करता है क्योंकि हर किसी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ भी लाइफ में अलग रहता है. तो अभी कौन क्या करेगा वो इसीलिए थोड़ा ये मैटर प्रॉब्लमेटिक तो नहीं बोल सकता, लेकिन सबकी प्रायोरिटीज़
Yes.
चेंज होती है. तो प्रायोरिटीज़ से ही हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक लेंगे जो कि है वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस का कंसेप्ट डेंटिस्ट्री में या फिर डेंटल क्लिनिक्स में? अर्गोनॉमिक्स तो ऑफकोर्स हम उस पर काम भी कर रहे हैं और आज प्रोडक्ट्स भी इतने अवेलेबल है कि ये डेंटिस्ट का बहुत अच्छी तरीके से ख्याल रखते हैं. ये होती है जो कि फिलोसॉफिकल लेवल पे, फैमिली लेवल पे, इमोशनल लेवल पे भी काम करता है खुद के वेलबीइंग के लिए. क्योंकि अभी आपका 15 साल क्लिनिक का आपने कंप्लीट किया, तो ये 15 साल में वो आपने, क्योंकि ये एक बैलेंसिंग एक्ट ही है, तो वो कैसे आपने बैलेंस किया है सब कुछ?
Okay. Now work-life balance, no,
हम्म,
might mean different things to different people.
हम्म,
Okay. If you say Narayan Murthy,
हम्म,
बड़ा ही मीम फेस्ट हुआ था उस पे.
हम्म,
He told you are supposed to work at least 70 hours per week. Did he work 70 hours a week? Yes, he did.
हम्म,
Okay. Let's take Elon Musk for example.
हम्म,
If people talk about work-life balance, today he's the richest person on earth.
हम्म,
Okay. Does he have a work-life balance?
हम्म,
He spends most of his time working.
हम्म,
There are news of he used to sleep in his Tesla manufacturing grounds. जब Tesla के the number of cars he wanted to produce were not enough to keep Tesla running. He used to sleep there in the office itself.
हम्म,
Now he's working for the American government. He sleeps out there.
हम्म,
So work-life balance is something which one individual has to come up with.
ओके,
Okay. I am a believer that life has seasons.
हम्म,
Okay. Narayan Murthy used to work 70 hours when he wanted to build up his business.
ओके,
Recently, there was something he had attended some festival or something, and then people put memes of it. He was talking about his initial phase and initial season of life.
Oh,
He is not talking about the season you are at now.
okay.
So it depends on what season of life you are at.
हम्म,
I am a firm believer. What you put in is what you'll get out.
हम्म,
Okay. We discussed that what college teaches you
हम्म,
and what you need to know. उसमें ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है.
हम्म,
ठीक है. अगर मैं बोलूँगा कि आई विल नॉट पुट मोर देन 8 hours a day
हम्म,
soon as I finish my BDS
हम्म,
for the first 3 years.
हम्म,
मैं पार्टी करूँगा, इंस्टाग्राम करूँगा, घूमूंगा फिरूंगा सब कुछ. आई स्टार्ट माई वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस द डे आई गेट माई डिग्री.
हम्म,
ओके. इफ आई थिंक दैट वे
हम्म,
एंड आई हैव अ फ्रेंड
हम्म,
who works 12 hours 6 days a week.
हम्म,
संडे को वो मज़े मारता है.
हम्म,
He has put every week
हम्म,
3 more working days than me.
राइट,
Okay. If we are assuming उसने भी 2 हफ्ते छुट्टी मारा, तुमने भी 2 हफ्ते छुट्टी मारा,
हम्म,
in 50 weeks,
हम्म,
okay, he has put in 150 days more than me
हम्म,
by working 12 hours. We both say after 15 years of career,
हम्म,
okay, मेरे हुए 15 साल, उसने 3-4 साल एक्स्ट्रा ही काम कर लिए, एक्स्ट्रा आवर्स करके. He is put in 20. He would be at a higher position.
हम्म,
Am I okay being at the position I am?
ओके,
But I had a good life. मैंने मेरे मज़े मारे.
यस,
Am I content with that? Is what is work-life balance.
हम्म,
Work-life balance starts is knowing मुझे कहाँ पहुँचना है
ओके,
और उसके हिसाब से मैंने इतना मेहनत कर लिया
यस,
और मुझे इतना बस.
हाँ,
Second thing is about seasons.
हम्म,
Seasons is when you pass out from BDS.
हम्म,
You are at your prime. You have enough energy.
हम्म,
Okay. Not just working 8 hours in clinic. You can spend 3 hours, 4 hours understanding dentistry.
हम्म,
So you have to find your own balance. And you cannot say कि I work 12 hours, other person should work 12 hours. Each one's body is different. Each one's functioning is different. Neither you should say कि मैं 6 घंटा काम करता हूँ, वो क्यों 12 घंटा काम करता है, उसको भी 6 घंटा काम करना है. उसके लिए he'll be enjoying dentistry. For them, there are certain people who say, I live, eat, sleep dentistry. I am not that kind of a person. I enjoy dentistry. I enjoy what I do. बट मैं रात को उठ के डेंटिस्ट्री नहीं सोच रहा हूँ. I might things related to maybe business, related to other things. If you are that type, good for you. So if you are enjoying dentistry and you're spending 18 hours doing only dentistry, good for you.
Yes.
If you do not like dentistry, you want to do 8 hours dentistry, switch and then go into something else, do that. But it should be a personal choice. Problem is people have not spent enough time
Yes.
with themselves
हाँ.
to know कि उनको life में क्या चाहिए.
क्या चाहिए.
What their personal choices.
Yes. 8 घंटे काम करो, 1 घंटे इंडियाज़ मोस्ट फेमस डेंटिस्ट देखो, नया एपिसोड देखो.
Listening to podcasts such as yours, you know. For example, if you're listening to a Sandesh Maikar, if you're listening to a Moez, if you're listening to Anuj Agarwal, you are not doing dentistry. You are doing self-development. It takes effort and time to be in the same room as these people. Okay? And they are people who have gone through a journey. You are getting words of wisdom. जो 20 साल पहले तुम्हें नहीं मिलता था कहीं पे.
Yes.
So learning from them without paying them, sitting at your home is personal development and it will take you ahead. You get to learn from these individuals. So you're basically investing in yourself and then saying ki matlab I went and partied for us, I invested in myself, or I spent time knowing myself and learning about how do I make my life better. That's also investment. So I am not telling do only dentistry. I am telling do overall development.
Yes.
And find what is the right work-life balance for you. It's not going to match someone else's ready-made definition.
Right. So coming back to our dentistry setup, वहाँ पे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स इक्विपमेंट्स की हमने बात की. अभी ह्यूमन पावर भी, मैन पावर भी चाहिए. तो जब भी हम स्टाफ रखेंगे तो एट द एंड वो भी इंसान है, उनके भी इमोशंस होंगे, उनके साथ भी ट्रेनिंग से लेके वो कैसा आपको काम दे रहे हैं, वो किस माइंडसेट के साथ आपके क्लिनिक में आता है, आपका और उनका पेशेंट को सर्व करने का नज़रिया सेम है कि नहीं, वो सब कुछ आपको देखना पड़ता है. तो उसके ऊपर सर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, उनको हायर करने से लेके ट्रेन करने तक, और फिर कब हमें समझ जाना चाहिए कि ये कुछ गड़बड़ चल रहा है?
I'll tell you what, hiring में ना, you can spend a lot of time hiring a good dentist.
Okay.
But when it comes to hiring other staff members, like a receptionist and everything, you will not come to know कि वो आदमी suit कर रहा है to your culture until you hire them. Okay? There are some people who might be very meek in their interview, but they might be very good in front desk and in reception and assistance or something. They might not come across as good personalities when you interview them. Then there are some who would be very good in the interview, but बाद में पता चलता है वो लोग सिर्फ बोल बच्चन है. So after hiring, one thing what dentists should do is they should spend at least 15 days to 1 month in which they pay the staff member. Okay? But it is known as assessment phase. So when you hire, तभी आप बोल रहे हो कि 1 महीने का assessment phase रहेगा, आपको उसका पेमेंट तो मिलेगा ही, बट उसमें हम लोग डिसाइड करेंगे whether you are a good for my practice and you decide whether this practice suits you.
Okay.
So these two things have to go hand in hand. First thing. Second thing is after hiring, you have to have continuous training. आपने एक चीज़ बोला, उन्होंने एक बार सुना, दूसरी चीज़ बोला, उन्होंने सुना. You have to keep repeating it again and again like a broken tape recorder because people tend to forget. It takes 6 months to a year for your habits to get ingrained in them. Third thing, okay, is to work on your communication. This is where I was my weakest.
Okay.
I was not good at communicating with my staff members, with anyone. I was like a volcano. मतलब मैं बहुत शांत रहता था. एक दिन सडनली गुस्से में फट जाता था. ओके, एंड द स्टाफ मेंबर विल नॉट कम टू नो कि ये रिएक्शन क्यों है, बिकॉज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वॉज इरिटेटेड, आई शुड नॉट गो एंड टेल देम आई फेल्ट इरिटेटेड.
ओह अच्छा, तो वो सब कुछ जमा होता था
and used to burst.
Oh.
A lot of people are like that. So you should have that good communication skills. It should be open. You should make them sit and tell कि my expectation is this. आप क्या ऐसे करोगे क्या? There has to be clarity in expectation and there has to be clarity in their response whether they understood or not. So being clear is being kind on your stuff.
Right.
So I learned it late, but I think that is something everyone who runs a practice should work on. Communication skills. Not just in dentistry, in general in life.
अभी सर ये सब कुछ हमने क्लिनिक अच्छा बना लिया, स्टाफ अच्छा रख लिया, सब कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़िया कर दिया, लेकिन फिर पेशेंट्स रादर मैं ये यूज़ नहीं करूँगा कि बुलाएंगे कैसे, पेशेंट आएंगे कैसे अंदर.
Problem क्या है ना? People get confused with running a practice and getting patients. पुराने ज़माने में डेंटिस्ट कम थे, इसलिए पेशेंट ढूंढ के आते थे. आज के ज़माने में पेशेंट्स भी ज़्यादा है, बट कुछ क्लिनिक्स में लाइन लगी है, कुछ क्लिनिक्स एकदम खाली है. द रीज़न इज हाउ डिड यू टेल द पेशेंट दैट यू आर अ गुड डेंटिस्ट, एंड दिस डज नॉट स्टार्ट द डे यू पुट अ प्रैक्टिस.
ओके.
सो वॉट यू डू इज, जिस दिन तुम डेंटिस्ट्री में जा रहे हो तभी तुम लोगों को बोलो कि आई एम स्टडिंग डेंटिस्ट्री. सो ऑल योर रिलेटिव्स इंक्लूडिंग दैट आंटी who keeps on spying on you,
Yes.
ये लड़का क्या कर रहा है,
हाँ.
will see that you are putting videos and posts about dentistry. As you grow, 5 साल 6 7 साल तब तक उन्होंने आपके इतने वीडियोस, इतने फोटोज देख लिए,
हाँ.
they have assumed you are a dentist and you're good at your job.
Yes.
Now they do not know that you're a sikhau dentist, you've just learnt and come out.
Okay.
For them you're someone they knew who is been doing dentistry since 5-6 years. So you have to start this journey of branding beforehand. Then when you're putting your practice itself, you have to go and meet people around, talk to them, create relationships, and tell them you're putting your practice. These are your first set of patients.
Okay.
Then once you get your first set of patients, you have to build layers of them.
Right.
It is our responsibility as dentists to increase awareness among patients.
Yes.
My own father
हाँ.
had this misconception that दांत निकालने से आंखों की रोशनी जा सकती है.
Oh.
Okay, not now, long back when I was doing dentistry.
Yes.
Is imagine someone who is educated, an engineer, worked abroad for 35 years, is still having this misconception. Is we have not done enough
Yes.
to explain our audience. It is each and every dentist's duty to promote awareness related to it. How do you do it? It is not by dancing on videos and telling मेरे clinic आओ मैं ऐसा नुस्खा. And I have seen dentists, वो लोग reels बनाते हैं दूसरे dentists के सामने show off करने के लिए. Like कि patients नहीं है या patients ऐसे किट करते हैं. Why do patients bark in? Why do patients don't know? Is because we have not taught them.
Yes.
We have not taught them what right is. So cribbing about our patients is not the solution. You should create content for patients where they are aware.
Yes.
And now you'll tell me what should I create content? Make basic content. Why cleaning is required?
हाँ.
Cleaning करने से दांत नहीं हिलते.
Yes.
Now everyone will tell कि वैसे तो 1000 content है. But have all your family members gone and see that video? No. If you make that content, your family members will see.
We'll
No?
see. Yes.
So you make for your niche. You do not need to show your face in it. If you are that shy type, an introvert who does not like coming on camera, don't show your face. You show photos.
Yes.
But you have to make an effort to educate your audience. Once you educate your audience, you have to make an effort to brand yourself in front of that audience that I am the right choice. And once they come into your practice, you have to provide them that quality that they want to come back and they get others along with you.
Right.
So it is not this one system which works.
Okay.
It is this group of systems which moves the wheel. This is known as flywheel concept. मतलब एक डंडा नहीं होता है.
हाँ.
तुम 3-4 डंडे मिलाते हो और फिर उसको घुमाते हो.
Yes.
फिर पूरा व्हील घूमता है.
हाँ. Right. Right.
So this is what dentists generally need to work on.
सब कुछ हो गया सर. एक बॉटम लाइन में भी फाइनल करते हैं. डेंटिस्ट्री में स्कोप है क्या? आज अगर कोई बच्चा या पेरेंट्स सोच रहे हैं कि मेरे बच्चे को भेजूँ, या कोई बच्चा सोच रहा है कि मुझे डेंटिस्ट्री में जाना है, तो व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स?
I will divide this into 3 parts. One is for the patient. One is for the bacha who is thinking of getting into dentistry. And third is someone who is in dentistry. Okay? So first, You are judged among everyone. Instagram में hooks क्यों देखते हैं? पहले 10 seconds में you decide whether मुझे वो reel देखना है कि नहीं देखना है.
Yes.
So what is the first thing what people see? They see your face. And when they see your face, they look at your smile.
Yes.
So there was this Colgate ad, okay, where a person had his arm around somewhere else. They were asked to tell what the problem in an ad is.
Okay.
And most of the people told there is one tooth missing or the smile is awkward. जबकि इसमें हाथ में एक्स्ट्रा उंगलियां थी, कान एक एक्स्ट्रा था, कान नहीं था. So the first thing the audience saw and noticed was the smile.
Oh.
You like it or not, that is how the world is. General population also wants to get veneers. Everyone wants to look good.
Yes.
Everyone wants to stand out.
Yes.
Okay. So from a patient perspective, your smile matters and 100% it is important. Then comes for a young dentist. For a young dentist or someone who is wants to be a dentist, dentistry में starting में scope नहीं है.
Okay.
If you are saying I am going to have work-life balance, मैं 6 घंटा काम करूंगा, किसी के अंदर काम करूंगा, मुझे 6 घंटे का 50,000 पगार चाहिए. Dentistry is not for you.
Yes.
Dentistry will reward hard work. If you are willing to learn all the aspects of dentistry, if you are willing to learn how practice works, if you are willing to educate your patients and create a brand, then dentistry will give you leaps and bounds back. But you have to be willing to put in that effort.
Right.
Dentistry is not a profession कि मैं bare minimum करूँ और मुझे basic पैसा मिले.
Yes, of course.
Basic is a sieve. Dentistry is a sieve which will differentiate between the best and the average. So if you're the best, you will make money as a dentist. First thing. Second, if you're already in dentistry and you think dentistry does not have scope, ask yourself, why do you think so?
Why can't you?
Why can't you?
Yes.
What are your shortcomings? Don't tell me all are second generation dentists. Majority premium dentists in India are first generation today.
Yes.
उन्होंने किया. Why can't you?
Yes.
Then you will come up with the excuse that their parents had money. Go and read stories of them.
Yes.
Many of them have started from scratch.
Yes.
Started from nowhere. How did they reach there? So if they can do it, तुम्हें क्या कमी है? वही दो आंख, वही दो हाथ, वही दो एक जीभ.
Yes.
What are your shortcomings? Is it communication? Is it practice management? Is it clinical skills? Is it confidence? What is it? Work on it. 1.5 billion people में you need 5,000 to 10,000 patients. You're trying to tell me you are not उतने भी competent नहीं हो कि 5,000 10,000 जन 1.5 billion में से तुम्हें पसंद करे.
और into 28 एक तो नहीं है.
Absolutely. 28 क्या आज के ज़माने में you're still having wisdom teeth.
Wisdom. Yes.
And that is where you make the maximum money removing that.
Yes.
So you have to understand if there are those many patients out there, there is scope. It is up to you whether you're willing to make that effort or not.
Right. इसी नोट पे सर, I am feeling fortunate sir. I am a dentist. I am a proud dentist. Periodontist. तो मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि सभी लोग प्राउडली बोले आई एम अ डेंटिस्ट.
Knowing the basics.
Knowing the basics.
Not just ऐसे अंधाधुन आए और फिर बाद में रोए.
Yes, ऐसे नहीं समझ के थोड़ा डेप्थ में जाना पड़ेगा. आई होप कि हम ऐसे कुछ एपिसोड्स करते रहेंगे आपके साथ. एंड बाकी फिर से आपके चैनल पे भी आपको देखेंगे. और थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर love and support and time, sir.
And it's amazing you're doing. You're getting the best people out here. And you're showing the human side of dentists, which is important.
Yes.
Young dentists need to know that other dentists have also gone through the journey.
Exactly.
So they do not feel they are alone. And through your podcast, you're doing that. So an amazing job, Dr. Karthik. Keep doing it.
Thank you, sir.
How was the episode? I hope आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा. अगर कम टाइम में आपको अपनी लाइफ में ज्यादा वैल्यू ऐड करना है तो हमारे इसी YouTube चैनल के क्लिप्स सेक्शन को आज ही चेक कीजिए. हमारे इस क्लिप सेक्शन में ऐसी बहुत सारी क्लिप्स अवेलेबल है और ये सारे क्लिप्स के फुल एपिसोड्स इसी YouTube चैनल पे अवेलेबल है. आज ही चेक कीजिए। मिलते हैं बहुत ही जल्द। टिल देन दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।